What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the Tboss 410 Limited. Now, this one here, it's got all kinds of goodies on it, and again, it's the 410, the Buck Tboss 410 Limited. Check it out. This one here has the nice bed in the back, and as you can see here, you can simply open the bed with one pull. It's got the nice hydraulic there, and to go put it back, you can simply push it right there with your hands. You also have your tailgate. This will come right out. And underneath, you've got your ball hitch in the rear that can be added as well. And then you've got your suspension in the rear as well. Check it out right now, saferwholesale.com. Again, the 4x4 off-road. This unit has high and low gears. It's got turn signals on it. You also have your netting here. You can go ahead and strap right in. Again, you got two seats right in the front along with your seat belts. Give us a call right now. Again, toll-free number, 866-606-3991. You got your mirrors right there, your headrests, your optional roof. This unit also has an optional windshield that you can go ahead and purchase it. All you got to do is give us a call. Again, toll free, 866-606-3991. Optional winch. It does include the LED lights, again, and your ambers, your turn signals there. Super nice rugged tire. Call us right now. Once again, toll free, 866-606-3991. We've got all kinds in stock right now, ready to go. We can fully assemble them and ship them nationwide, or send them to you in the crate for a little bit of a better deal. Call us right now, 866-606-3991. Once again, the Tboss Limited 410 right here. We've got, again, 5 different colors in stock right now, so give us a call. Again, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com. To start her up, all you're going to do, simply put your foot right on the brake, give her some gas, and there you go. There you have it. Right now we're in neutral. So go ahead and shift the gears. Again, you've got reverse right now. Neutral. This is low, and that would be high. And then also you've got your 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, your horn. It's a real nice smooth ride. Again, got lots of power on it. In and out for your winch there. Again, your lights on and off. Your turn signals. Give us a call right now. Again, toll free, 866-606-3991. And like I said, we can ship nationwide right to your front door. Tboss 410. There you have it. Check it out. Call us right now. Toll free, 866-606-3991. saferwholesale.com.